One of the most visible landmarks in the city of Providence is the Industrial Trust Building, or more commonly known as the Superman Building. It stands 26 stories tall and remains the tallest building in the state and was once the tallest in New England. The building was designed by Walker and Gillette to house the Industrial Trust Company and was completed in 1928. The base is made of Deer Island granite, and the frame is made of steel topped with Indiana limestone. The building reflects the Art Deco style popularized throughout the early 1900s in Western Europe and the United States. The building has hosted many tenants over the years, but in 2012, Bank of America decided not to renew its lease, leaving the building vacant. High costs of rehabilitation has since kept the new tenants from moving in, and the building's fate is in jeopardy. For now, the building remains, but this Providence landmark could one day be gone forever. Thank you for watching this episode of the Reveal Our Eye video series brought to you by Tolppa Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We'll see you soon.